Physical layers and the layer stack manager. The definition of the PCB layer stack is a critical element of successful printed circuit board design, no longer just a series of simple copper connections that transfer electrical energy. The routing of many modern PCBs is designed as a series of circuit elements or transmission lines. There are also numerous other design considerations that come into play when designing a modern, high-speed PCB, including layer pairing, careful via design, possible back drilling requirements, rigid or flex requirements, copper balancing, layer stack symmetry, and material compliance. Now, these layer stack requirements are configured in the layer stack manager. So select design, then click layer stack manager to open it. Now, the layer stack manager is used to add, remove, and order the signal plane and dielectric layers. Also, select the material properties from the materials library or configure them manually. Add additional user-defined fields to the layer stack. Configure the allowed via types, defining which layers each via type spans. Configure the impedance profiles when controlled impedance routing is being used. Configure advanced features including rigid, flex design, printed electronics, and back drilling. This tutorial PCB is a simple design and can be routed as a single-sided board or a double-sided board with through-holes vias. In this image shown below, the material for each layer has been selected.